prologue of this event. Next, I welcome Dr. S. Rasul Mohideen, Associate Professor of English, for introducing the speaker. Next, I welcome Mrs. P. Priya for delivering the epilogue of this event. Next, I welcome Dr. A. Anthony Arochi Anufia Mill, delivering the vote of thanks and the moderator of this program. Next, I welcome Dr. S. Anthony Vinolia, the host of this program. I welcome each and every one of this participation in this program. I welcome you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your note of welcome.
Thank you.
Now I request our principal, Dr. T. Kanagaraj, to felicitate the gathering. Sir, please. Sir? No, sir, you're not audible, sir. No, sir, we can't hear you, sir. No, sir, we can see you but not hear you, sir. Sir?
Dhanavati ma'am? Dhanavati ma'am? We don't know why we are not able to receive him.
Sir? Sir, we are not able to hear you, sir.
What shall we do? And we
So we don't have a problem in his
English network, it seems, no? You can make a call, Premlata ma'am.
Now audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, we can hear you, sir.
Now it is audible.
Yes, sir, you can carry on, sir. We can.
1 minute, please.
Now he muted, I think. Sir? Principal sir?
He asked to wait, ma'am.
Yes.
Madam, please wait a minute. Now it is audible, madam?
Yes, sir, we can hear you, sir.
Okay. the most respected resource person, Madhimani, learned professors, dear faculty members, and my dear students, a very good morning to one and all gathered here through this online platform. Today is our founder secretary APC Veerabahu's day, Founders Day. On account of our Founders Day, we have been organizing every year many programs in our college. And this year, due to pandemic, we are gathered through online platform for recalling the memories of remarkable memories of our founder secretary Kulapati APC Veerabahu. It is my pleasure for felicitating this session and before this I would like to point out the history of our institution and also the historical some glimpses of our founder secretary. It was through the Herculean efforts of a selfless band of influential and public-spirited citizens of Tuticorin, the V.O. Chidambaram Educational Society was founded on 13th August 1947, before the independence. The brain of this establishment of this historical society is visible by our beloved honorary founder secretary Sri APC Veerabahu, the uncenaneous, silent, steady worker. The then Governor General of India, Sri C. Rajagopalachari, the Bhisma of modern India, blessed the venture. The twin aim of the society were to found the memorial to the great Tamil scholar and freedom fighter V.O. Chidambaram, and to serve the cause of the higher education and research. So our honorary founder secretary established this great society VOC. Before I would like to say something about VOC, I have to say the few words about our Kulapati APC Veerabahu. He is known for the multifaceted personality and indelible mark in several fields, including politics, education, public life, cooperatives, and Bhutan movements. He was a visionary who was also pragmatic, a rare blend of integrity and perseverance. He is a judicious mixture of the great scholar Thiruvalluvar and our father of nation Mahatma Gandhi. Gentle and affectionate by disposition, he could be firm and even relentless whenever occasion demanded. Truly, could it be said of him that he was a harder than a diamond, but softer than a flower. Faith in God was the guiding factor in his life. There was a spiritual power in him from which originated all the other noble qualities that he had. His flaming idealism, his strength of willpower, and his indefatigable energy and cheerlessness call for service and selfless service and sacrifice his life for the sake of the people. VOC launched a stream against the foreign yoke, and it was a dream of VOC to travel around the world in the Indian boat. And APC, we strongly believe that the real Swadeshi is possible only by education to all. It is the dream and it is the vision and mission of our founder, Kulapati APC Veerabahu. Through this, he provided education to all and also propagated all over the world through the ambassadors of the alumnus. In this occasion, the soul today, 1982, the year 1982, the soul was attained heavenly abode. And today we are together for the memory of our, not only for recalling and recollecting the memories, but also propagating the thoughts, visions, missions of our Kulapati APC Veerabahu. With this a quotation of our Kulapati APC Veerabahu, ஆசிரிய பெருமக்களுக்கான பஞ்சசீல கொள்கைகள். குழந்தை உள்ளம் பாங்காய் அறிதலும், நிறைந்த அறிவை விரைந்து பெறுதலும், தெய்வ கொள்கையும், தீதரு ஒழுக்கமும், கட்சி கடந்த நிலையும் ஆசான் கொள்ள வேண்டிய ஐம்பெரும் குணங்களாகும். What a fantastic personality he is. And in this occasion, I congratulate the organizers and their efforts in making this national level seminar. It is in the history of this is a great occasion in the history of VOC College of Education, and so that I really congratulate the organizers for organizing this wonderful webinar on account of Kulapati APC Veerabahu. Thank you, one and all. Over to Anupriya ma'am. Over to Anupriya.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of such a legend, our founder. Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Mrs. M. Sasikala, Assistant Professor of Education, to give the prologue. Ma'am, please. Sasikala, ma'am.
Zikla, ma'am?
Sasikala, ma'am.
Yeah. Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Yes. Good morning, each and every one of you. With my praisings to the Lord Almighty, I deem it a great honor to give a prologue to the second day program of the 3-day national level webinar on account of our founder's Memorial Day. Department of Education and Department of History have joined hands to organize this program through digital media, inviting the flourishing alumni of our Institute of Reputation as speakers. Welcome all of you. We planned several programs having today's RP in mind. Topics associated with ailments and cure, corresponding to communication, dealing with domestic affairs, linked to linguistics, pertaining to philosophy, specific to spirituality, and whatnot under the sky. But it was not materialized. But today, I believe it's God's plan. She has been invited today to share her views on the topic, Memorable Memoirs of Kulapati. Heaven sent RP to transmit information and enlighten us about our giant legend. Of course, a giant legend, our centenarian Kulapati APC Veerabahu, born on 5th May 1915 to Thiru V. Paramasivan and Thirumadi P. Ulagammal, our founder, was a multifaceted personality, as mentioned by our principal sir, who has left an impeccable and indelible mark in several fields, including politics, education, public life, cooperatives, Bhutan movement, etc. He was a Gandhian pragmatic, a rare blend of integrity and perseverance. A rare blend of integrity and perseverance. He was more an administrator than an orator, more an orator than a leader, more a leader than a follower, more a follower than a patriot, more a patriot than a visionary. Yes, a visionary. The charismatic leader was, of course, a visionary whose vision and mission continues to liberate millions of youth by offering quality education for which the institution was founded. Though Kulapati attained heavenly abode in 1982, on August 13th, the same date on which VOC College came into emergence, the serenity of his soul, is still felt in the bustling breeze of VOC Educational Society. Yes, the serenity of his soul is still felt in the bustling breeze of VOC Educational Society and being inhaled not only by the inmates of the institutions but also by the whole universe, since the motto of the institution, Anbu, Arivu, Aram, are being propagated across the globe under the able commandership of our present Honorable President and Honorable Secretary, for which we are indebted to them forever. Hope today's resource person, Mrs. Madhimani, soulmate of mine, a bundle of sterling qualities, traditional at the same time trendy, lover of English at the same time cavalier of Tamil, polite but persistent, adventurous as well as adaptive, will give us a kaleidoscopic view of our multidimensional personage Kulapati through her versatile language. I repeat, through her versatile language and pluridimensional PowerPoint presentation. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, one and all. Thank you, each and every one of you. Let us jointly pay homage to our founder with all heart and soul. Let us jointly pay homage to our founder with all heart and soul and seek his blessings to conserve values and transmit the motto Anbu, Arivu, Aram. Let me conclude with the following words of do all the good you can, to all the people you can, by all the ways you can, at all the times you can, by all means you can. Let me repeat. Do all the good you can, to all the people you can, by all the ways you can, at all times you can, by all means you can. These are not mere words, but the way of life of our Kulapati, And let us promise to assimilate it as our mantra too. Let us promise to assimilate it as our mantra too. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your poetic words. Now I request Dr. S. Anthony Vinolia, Assistant Professor of History, to share her views about our founder. Ma'am, please.
அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். எம் குலவதியின் நினைவு தினம். வண்டின் ரிங்காரம் மறந்த மலர்கள் உண்டோ, மலரின் மனம் மறந்த வண்டுகள் உண்டோ, மலையின் வாசம் மறந்த மண்ணுண்டோ, நிலவின் தடம் மறந்த வானமுண்டோ. ஆம், நினைவு தினம். இன்று எங்கள் நெஞ்சில் நீங்காது வாழும் எம் தலைவர் குலபதி அவர்களின் நினைவு தினம். வாயினால் சொல்லிடவும் அடங்காதப்பா, வரிசையுடன் எழுதி வைக்க வகையும் இல்லை. ஞாயிற்றை சங்கிலியால் அளக்கலாமோ, ஞானகுரு புகழினை நாம் வகுக்கலாமோ. 1000 நூல் எழுதிடினும் முடிவுறாதாம், 1000 நூல் எழுதிடினும் முடிவுறாதாம். ஐயவனின் பெருமையை நான் சுருக்கிச் சொல்வேன். கல்வி எனும் வலிமை கொண்ட கோட்டை கட்டினாய், நல்ல கருத்தினால் அதனை சூழ்ந்ததோர் அகழி வெட்டினாய். முடிவிலா கீர்த்தி பெற்றாய், புவிக்குள்ளே முதன்மையானாய். முத்து நகரில் கல்வி அன்னைக்கு அணிகலனானாய். கல்வி வளர்ச்சிக்கு முக்கணி போல் 3 கல்லூரிகள் தந்தாய். ஆடவருக்கு வஉசி கல்லூரி, பெண்டீருக்கு ஏபிசி கல்லூரி, புனிதமான ஆசிரியர் பணிக்கு வஉசி கல்வியியல் கல்லூரி. மனிதகுல வரலாற்றில் மங்காத இடத்தை பிடித்தாய், என்றும் கல்வி சுடராய் வாழ்கின்றாய். 1000 பேரை கொண்டவன் வைத்தியன், 1000 யானையை கொன்றவன் வீரன், 1000 பட்டதாரிகளை உருவாக்கியதால் நீர் எங்கள் குலபதி. செய்வதை கூறல், புண்படுத்தாதிருத்தல், சினந்தவிர்த்தல், கொடுஞ்சொல் அகற்றுதல், உள்ளதுரைத்தல், எதிர்பால் இனத்தாரிடம் பார்வையில் கண்ணியம், நீவீர் பின்பற்றிய அறநெறி ஒழுக்கமன்றோ. ஆசிரிய பெருமக்களுக்கான பஞ்சசீல கொள்கையை வகுத்த ஆஸ்தான் நீர். குழந்தை உள்ளம் பாங்காய் அறிதலும், நிறைந்த அறிவை விரைந்து பெறுதலும், தேவ கொள்கையும் தீரரு ஒழுக்கமும் கட்சி கடந்த நிலையும் ஆசான் கொள்ள வேண்டிய 50 குணமாகும். உமது ரசனை வெறும் பொழுதுபோக்கை நாடியதில்லை. இலக்கியத்தில் அறநெறியையும், இசையில் ஆன்மீகத்தையும், இயற்கையின் வனப்பில் முன்னேற்றத்தையும் நாடிய அண்ணல் நீர். கல்வியை என்றும் எப்போதும் வியாபாரமாக்க கூடாது, அறிவை ஒருபோதும் கடைச்சரக்காய் மாற்றக்கூடாது என்று தாங்கள் கொண்ட கொள்கையை, உள்ளத்தின் தனியாத தாகத்தை வாழ்வின் தாரக மந்திரமாக்கி கொண்டாய். முத்தமிழ் போல் புகழ்பரப்பி வாழ்கின்றாய். ஆசிய ஜோதி பண்டித நேரு, அன்னை இந்திரா, தாஸ்கன் வீரர் சாஸ்திரி மூவரும் பிரதமர்களாய் இருந்த காலங்களில் நம் வ.உ.சி. கல்லூரிக்கு அழைத்து வந்து நம் கல்லூரியை புனிதமாக்கினாய். இந்நினைவு நாளில் அவர்தம் கனவுகளை நிஜமென கொணர்வோம். அவர்தம் நினைவுகளை அழியாது காப்போம். நிஜங்களை உயிரென நேசிப்போம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of enrichment. Thank you so much. Now I request Dr. S. Rasul Mohideen, Associate Professor of English, to introduce the speaker. Sir, please.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Okay. அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். விவிலியத்தில் ஒரு வார்த்தை சொல்லுவார்கள், இந்த காரியம் இறைவனால் கூடியது என்று. That is the things, that means this is the incident which is made possible by the God himself. So this is the things that we are bringing together now. This thing is possible because of our founder Kulapati. So let us pay our tribute to Kulapati first before I start my things. But it has been said in Tamil, it has been said in Tirukural, idhanai idhanal ivan mudippan endraydu adhanai avan kan vidal. So analyzing the person's his ability and his equivalence, and we have to give them the duty, we have to assign them work like that, analyzing the person, her ability, her equipment, that is the language. The duty has been assigned to Mrs. Madhimani, who is the chief guest and a good orator, and who is about to discuss the points, memorable memoirs of our Kulapati. So, before I introduce Mrs. Madhimani, let me welcome her. Mrs. Madhimani has completed her MA English BA through our college IGNOR Center, and she had been serving as the vice principal, PG assistant in English, and head department of English in APC Matriculation School. She has put in nearly 30 years of service as an English teacher, and as a teacher, she earned a good name among her students. Her students used to say, Madhimani is the teacher. Madhimani introduced all type of technical, both software technology and hardware technology. She used to introduce PowerPoint presentation, OHP, etc. in her classroom. Also, she used to introduce the quiz-like program, a good, interactive activities as a teacher. So, our secretary, Sri APCV Shanmugam, used to say, a good teacher, the award of good teacher is to be governed, is to be honored, is to be governed by the people. So Madhimani is one such teacher who has been conferred the award of good teacher by her own students themselves. Such a good teacher is with us, and apart from a teaching, she has participated in many workshops and many seminars like events both as a participant as well as the resource person. And other than that, even after her retirement, she has been rendering her service as a part-time faculty in various colleges, APC Mahalakshmi College and VO Chidambaram College. She has been taking spoken English class. She has been taking some other classes, classes for sub class, and she has also been serving as the what is called guest faculty both in the Department of English as well as in the Department of Tamil in various colleges. Above her association with spirituality is also a very important point to be appreciated. She deserves appreciation for various lectures she delivered, spiritual lectures in various places throughout our country. Throughout India, she has delivered a lot of lectures, particularly various places throughout Tamil Nadu. She has delivered lectures in Tirunelveli, Madurai, Chennai, Tirutani, Chidambaram, Tiruchendur, Tirupugalur, Tirukovilur, Pudukottai, Tiruvananthapuram, Koyilpatti, Vikramasinghapuram, Nagarkoil. And apart from Tamil Nadu, she has delivered lecture in Tiruvananthapuram. Apart from our country, she has also delivered a spiritual lecture in London, of course. Such a good work. Still now, she has been taking lot of classes. Every day, she is such a busy person, offering her service as a good researcher and preacher and a good teacher also. And she has extended her service and she has taken spoken English classes for downtrodden people and then unreached people also. She has also got, she was also conferred different titles. What are the titles? Sittananda Kalanidhi, Samaya Bodhana Rattinam, Sittang Sammani. These are the titles, these are the awards conferred on her. Such a great person in some amidst us. She is the right person, as I already told you. She is the right person to talk about Kulapati. Memorable memoirs. The memoirs means important events. All the events that took place in the life of Kulapati is memorable, and Madhimani is the right person. Manimani is going to present memorable memoirs. This is the meaningful alliteration. So, with these few words, let me welcome Mrs. Madhimani to enlighten and enrich us. Welcome, ma'am. Over to the audience.
Thank you so much, sir, for your note of introduction. Now, I request the participants to pin Velumadi, where the resource person is going to present her PPT. I request the participant to pin Velumadi, where the resource person is going to present herself. Thank you. Now, the session is handed over to the resource person. Ma'am, please, you can carry on, ma'am. Ma'am, we can see you, ma'am.
Okay, one
Yes.
minute. Respected principal, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible. You can.
Okay, thank you. Respected principal, beloved faculty members, adorable students, delightful friends, honorable members from all other domains of the society, I would like to wish you a very good morning. Almost approaching afternoon. We are here to remember our Kulapati and think and admire his qualities and all other things. I was able to feel the gratitude, love, affection, adoration, awe, and many more emotions oozing out among us. Usually, all of us, not alone me, everybody, every one of us feel a little bit nervous when we stand before a teacher. It is before one teacher itself, it makes us nervous. And whoever present in this webinar is a teacher, then just imagine what is my plight. I am nervous, but with the help of the Lord Almighty, I hope to present in an expected manner. All of you gave so many nice words, and I am encouraged by those nice words. And it is by God's grace, I'll be able to continue the webinar. World was revolving smoothly. So we thought till the end of 2019. After the dramatic entrance of this novel corona, we, the people in this world, started experiencing so many novel things, didn't we? Nobody knew about webinars. No one had an idea how to conduct classes in online or Google Meet or Zoom or all these apps, Duo Class. We don't know. We were not aware of these things. They were available for us. We did not know. But this novel corona has introduced these novel items to us. We can use both the meanings for the word novel. Novel means new as well as strange. We all of us have strange experience because of this type of online class and webinars. In our direct classroom, we can make our children sit in a place and make them look at us and make them understand whatever we want to teach. But they are finding ways to escape now in online classes. It's happening everywhere. All the teachers are experiencing. But as they find a way to escape, we will find a way to bring them here. Won't we? Teachers are like that. And today I would like to talk about our Kulapati, memorable memoirs. As Dr. Rasool said, Sir said, whatever that happened in his life is really a memorable memoir. So only a few I'm going to take. We have been throughout the introduction, epilogue, and in every speech, we were able to gather points about him. So I think I won't be saying anything new to you. But anyway, in a different way, I would like to say what I want to say. He was called Kulapati. And as the saying goes, a leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Our leader, Kulapati, he knew his way. He went in that way, and he showed us the way. He not alone showed us, even now he is showing us the way. And he is named, he is called as multifaceted. As Sasikala ma'am said, he is a multifaceted person. Adjective suitable for him. He was adroit, he was versatile, he was dexterous, resourceful, gifted, and facile. And the list can be go on and on and on. It can be continued. It is just for our imagination and the resourcefulness of our vocabulary. He was an industrialist. He was a businessman. He was an economist. During his college days, he studied economics and had a good idea about economics. And he had a thirst for improving the economical level in his town and in his country, in his state. He was very much thinking about it, and he aimed to gain a better economical level in our place. And he was very religious. Even if you see the picture, we can see how he looks, and we can see that religious, that pious nature in him. And he was a wonderful political leader. And one among them, one of the people who talked about him previously, they said how he was very much friendly with so many political leaders, CMs, PMs. He invited all of them. Mostly all of them have come to Thoothukudi just because of his invitation. And I think I am audible. Am I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes,
it's very quiet. It's very quiet, and I felt I am talking alone.
You're audible, ma'am. You can carry on, ma'am.
Thank you. So he was a political leader, and then he was a wonderful socialist and a linguist. He had a desire for languages, and that shows in the work he has done for the city. And he was a philanthropist, and all rolled into one Kulapati. We are very happy and we are proud for him to be an industrious, an economist, a religious person, a political leader, a socialist, a linguist, and a philanthropist. But for us, he is Kulapati. வாழ்க்கையில் வெற்றி பெற தகுதி அவசியம். இது எல்லாருக்குமே தெரிஞ்ச ஒண்ணுதான் இல்லையா? ஒரு தகுதி இருந்தாதான் வெற்றிங்கிறதை நாம தேட முடியும். தகுதியே இல்லாம நம்மால வெற்றி பெற முடியாது. அந்த தகுதி அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு எப்படி விரிவாக நாம் சொல்லலாம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா, தன்னம்பிக்கை, குறிக்கோள், திட்டமிடல், இந்த 3 இருந்தா தான் நம்மிடம் தகுதியை நாம் வளர்த்து கொள்ள முடியும். தன்னம்பிக்கை இல்லாமல் எந்த செயலையும் செய்ய முடியாது. குலபதி ஐயாவிடம் அந்த தன்னம்பிக்கை மிகுந்து இருந்தது. அவர்களது படத்தை பார்க்கும் பொழுதே அந்த தன்னம்பிக்கை நமக்கு புரியும். அடுத்து குறிக்கோள். அவருடைய குறிக்கோள் என்ன என்பது அவர் வாழ்ந்த வாழ்க்கையிலிருந்தே நமக்கு தெரிகின்றது. மொத்தமாக அந்த குறிக்கோளுக்காக தன்னை தயார் செய்து கொண்டார். அதுவே திட்டமிடல். ஆக தன்னம்பிக்கையும் குறிக்கோளும் திட்டமிடலும் ஆகியவை 3 இணைந்த தகுதி அவரிடம் இருந்தது. அந்த திட்டமிடல் எங்கே இருந்து தொடங்கியது என்று பார்த்தால், அவர் பள்ளியிலே கல்வி கற்ற காலம் தொடங்கி கல்லூரி கல்வியை பெற்ற பொழுது, பிறகு அரசியல் வாழ்விலே, ஆன்மீகத் துறையிலே, அவருடைய வணிகத் துறையிலே என்று எல்லா இடத்திலும் அவருடைய திட்டமிடல் தொடர்ந்து கொண்டே இருந்தது. சரி, தன்னம்பிக்கை எங்கிருந்து வந்தது? அதுவும் எல்லா இடங்களிலும் இருந்து. அவர் குறிக்கோள் இந்த ஊரை, இந்த நாட்டை என்று அனைவரையும் முன்னேற்ற வேண்டும். பொருளாதார நிலையிலே பின்தங்கிய நிலையில் இருக்கின்ற மக்களை முன்னேற்றி அவர்களுக்கும் தன்னால் இயன்ற வகையிலே உதவி செய்து, வேறு உதவி செய்கின்ற வழி இருக்கிறது என்றால் அதையும் தேடி அவர்கள் அந்த உதவியை பெறுவதற்கு வழி செய்வது என்ற அந்த திட்டமிடலும் அவரிடம் இருந்தது. ஆக ஒரு நல்ல தலைவராக, நல்ல மனிதராக, நல்ல மனிதநேயம் மிக்கவராக இருந்த அவரது தகுதியை அளவு சொல்லுவதற்கே இல்லை, அது அளவிடற்கு அரியது. Let us talk about his schooling. He had his elementary education in T.S. Hindu Elementary School. People, those who belong to Thoothukudi area, they may wonder, what is this T.S. Hindu Elementary School? But you people are very familiar with his history, and so you won't wonder at all. But we, as I came only after reaching the middle age to Thoothukudi, I did not know what is the school. Where is the school? I haven't heard the school, I said.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry for the interruption. Shall I ask Vinolia, ma'am, any problem in sharing the screen? We couldn't see the PowerPoint presentation. Vinolia, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. Just a minute, ma'am.
Is it okay for you? We can do that. No?
Even from the beginning, you were not able to see, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Goodness.
No problem. She will manage. Any help needed, Vinolia, ma'am? From our RP, ma'am?
Shall I start?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Vinolia, ma'am, do you need any help?
Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am. Ma'am, please you.
Participants, please pin Velumadi presentation.
Okay. Ma'am, anybody, ma'am, you can
Okay,
proceed.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you. As is a T.S. Hindu Elementary School, it's a new name. Of course, it's an old name of an old school, but this is not familiar. People of those who are young cannot be familiar with this name. In Kidur area, you should have heard about a Muttachi Ammal school. This, the old name of that school is T.S. Hindu Elementary School. And our Kulapati had his schooling in this elementary school here. And after finishing his elementary schooling, he went to Caldwell, and it's a very great school in the Beach Road here. And so many personalities. They are any problem?
No, ma'am. You can carry on. No problem.
Shall I?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then he continued his high school studies in Caldwell School. And even now we have that school, a historically famous school, isn't it? R. Kulapati has had his education there. And after finishing his high school for pre-university classes, he went to MDT Hindu College, which is in Tirunelveli. And that is also a very famous college. And so many personalities, starting from Bharadiyar, so many have had their education there. And then after finishing his pre-university classes, he went to Loyola College, Chennai, for his degree course.
Excuse me, Madhi ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, Madhi ma'am.
Yes.
Madhi ma'am, your PPT is not visible, ma'am. Ma'am, please open your PPT. First open your PPT, ma'am. Not visible your PPT, ma'am. Only you are presenting to everyone.
Have you made me a presenter?
Okay.
Excuse me,
Vinolia ma'am. Yes.
Madhi ma'am. Ma'am, showing any slide? You're sharing.
It's not clear. Is it visible now?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Now-
we can see
No,
only
ma'am.
you, ma'am. Your PPT is not visible. Ma'am? Madhimani ma'am?
Okay. Is it visible now?
No, ma'am. We can hear only your audio. Okay, right.
It will-
Yes, we are waiting.
Are you able to see now?
No, ma'am. Yes. Yes. You're presenting, ma'am.
Okay. It's visible.
Yes, no.
Okay.
No, ma'am. We can. It is showing that you're presenting to everyone, but we are not able to see your PPT there. We can see only your screen.
Vinolia ma'am, have you made me a presenter? Vinolia ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, have you kept your PPT open in your desktop? Madhimani ma'am?
See. Is it visible now?
No, ma'am.
What's the problem?
Yeah, we can hear you only.
Sasikala ma'am? Sasikala ma'am? Sasikala ma'am?
She has left the meeting, I think so.
Can we continue orally?
Is it visible now? Is it visible now?
No, ma'am, you have not yet presented, ma'am.
Goodness.
Ma'am, I think.
Just a minute. Yeah, I'm trying.
Yes, ma'am, we got your PPT, ma'am.
Appa. Thank you.
No. Anusuya ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
No ma'am.
I can see, ma'am. A leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the. If you pin, we can see, ma'am.
Yes.
Presentation.
Now we can see.
It takes a little time.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
But
yes, ma'am.
Before I was not made a presenter, I think that's the problem. Okay.
Okay, right.
Anyway, we talked about multifaceted personality, and as an industrialist, economist, religious person, political leader, socialist, linguistic, and philanthropist. I remember, I think you all recall, வாழ்க்கையில் வெற்றி பெற தகுதி அவசியம், தன்னம்பிக்கை, குறிக்கோள், திட்டமிடல். I think you all you will be able to recall. And now we are talking about his education. T.S. Hindu Elementary School for his elementary education. Then he went to Caldwell High School, and now these are the names given to him. Sivamani, while he was in the school, பள்ளியில் படித்த காலத்திலேயே அவர் தன் உடன் பயின்ற மாணவர்களுக்கும் பள்ளி ஆசிரியர்களுக்கும் நிறைய வழிகாட்டுதல் செய்ததாகவும் அதற்காகவே அவருக்கு வழங்கப்பட்ட பட்டம் சிவமணி. எவ்வளவு ஒரு அருமையான தகவல் பாருங்களேன். பள்ளியில படிக்கும் போது உதவுவார்கள் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கோம். ஆனா குலபதி ஐயா அவர்கள் வழிகாட்டியாகவே இருந்திருக்கின்றார்கள். பியர் டீச்சிங் பத்திலாம் நம்ம படிக்கிறோம். ஆனா அது ஓரளவு தான் இருக்கும். அது ஒரு தனியா பட்டமே கொடுக்கிற அளவுக்கு இவர் மிகவும் உயர்ந்த நிலையிலே தன்னுடன் பயின்ற மாணவர்களுக்கும் ஆசிரியர் பெருமக்களுக்குமே இவர் ஒரு தகுந்த துணையாக இருந்திருக்கிறார். அதனால இவருக்கு சிவமணி என்று படிக்கும் பொழுதே, பள்ளியில் படிக்கும் பொழுதே கொடுத்த பட்டம் என்று கூறுகின்றார்கள். அடுத்து இவருக்கு பொருளாதார மேதை என்று இன்னொரு பட்டம் இருக்கான். இவர் படித்தது, கல்லூரியிலே படித்தது பொருளாதாரம் இல்லையா, அந்த பொருளாதாரம் அதை எப்படி எட்டு கல்வி எட்டு சுரைக்காய் வாழ்க்கைக்கு உதவாது, கறிக்கு உதவாது என்று கூறுவார்கள். ஆனா இவர் கல்லூரியிலே படித்த அந்த பொருளாதாரத்தை வைத்து பொதுமக்களுக்கு என்ன வழியிலெல்லாம் உதவி செய்யலாம் என்பதை நினைத்து உதவியதால் இவர் பொருளாதார மேதை என்றும் அழைக்கப்பட்டார். அடுத்து சிந்தனை சிற்பி என்று அவர் அழைக்கப்பட்டதன் காரணம் என்னன்னா, எப்பவுமே ஒரு கடுமையான உழைப்பை மேற்கொள்ளுகின்ற மனிதராக இருந்தாராம். He was hard working. அது தன்னுடைய சிந்தனையும் மிகவும் கடினமான செயல்பாடுகளை எப்படி எளிதாக செய்யலாம் என்று சிந்தித்து உணர்ந்து மற்றவர்களுக்கும் அதை சொல்லிக் கொடுப்பாரா. இது நிறைய மக்களிடம் நான் பார்க்க முடியாது, நிறைய தலைவர்களிடமும் பார்க்க முடியாது. ஏன்னா தனக்கு ஒரு நல்ல பெயர் வரணும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறவங்க அதே இதை மற்றவர்களுக்கு சொல்லிக் கொடுத்து அவர்களையும் அந்த வழிக்கு எடுத்து செல்வதுங்கிறது கொஞ்சம் பார்ப்பதற்கு அரிதான ஒரு குணநலமாக இருக்கு. அதனால ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்கிங் மென்டாலிட்டி இருந்தது அவருக்கு. ஃபுல் ஃபிளெட்ஜ்டு மேன், அண்ட் சோ ஹி வாஸ் கால்ட் சிந்தனை சிற்பி. அடுத்து தொண்டர் திலகம் என்ற பட்டத்தையும் அவர்களுக்கு வழங்கினார்களாம். இந்த தொண்டர் திலகம்ங்கிறத பார்த்த உடனே நமக்கு தெரியுது, எல்லாருக்கும் தொண்டு செய்தார். பள்ளி குழந்தையாக இருந்த காலத்திலே இருந்து மற்றவர்களுக்காக தொண்டு செய்தே வளர்ந்தவர் அவர். அப்படி தொண்டு செய்து தன் வாழ்நாள் முழுமையுமே நமக்கெல்லாம் தொண்டு செய்த அந்த தொண்டர் திலகத்தை இன்று அவரது நினைவு நாளில் நினைவு கூறுவது நாம் எல்லாம் பெற்ற ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு வாய்ப்பாக நான் நினைக்கின்றேன். அடுத்தது இந்த தமிழவேள் என்ற பட்டம். இதை இவருக்கு வழங்கியவர் குன்றக்குடி அடிகளார். குன்றக்குடி அடிகளார் எப்பொழுதுமே தொண்டு செய்வதிலே மிகவும் விருப்பமுடையவர். அவர் இருக்கின்ற அந்த குன்றக்குடி பகுதியிலும் சரி, அதற்கு பக்கத்திலே இருந்த பகுதிகளிலும் சரி இருக்கின்ற பள்ளிகள், அங்கே இருக்கின்ற ஏழை மக்கள், இவர்களுக்கெல்லாம் நிறைய தொண்டு செய்திருக்கிறார்கள். இன்னைக்கும் அந்த பக்கம் போய் நாம் விசாரித்தால் அவரை தெய்வமாக கொண்டாடுவார்கள். அப்படி தெய்வமாக கொண்டாடப்பட்ட ஒருத்தர் இவருக்கு தமிழவேள் என்று பட்டம் கொடுத்தார் என்றால், அவரும் மதிக்கின்ற அளவுக்கு உயர்ந்த நிலையிலே இருந்திருக்கின்றார் அப்படிங்கிறது நமக்கு புரிகின்றது. அடுத்து எனக்கு முன்னால் பேசியவர்கள் குறிப்பிட்டது மாதிரி குலபதி என்ற பட்டம் யாருக்கு வழங்கப்படும் என்றால், 10,000 பேருக்கு உணவும் அளித்து கல்வியும் கற்பித்தவர் என்ற பெருமையை உடையவருக்கு தான் குலபதி என்ற பட்டம் அளிக்கப்படும். இவர் இந்த குலபதி டு த பவர் ஆஃப் எவ்வளவு வேணா சொல்லிக்கலாம். ஏன்னா அத்தனை 10,000 பேருக்கு கல்வி வாய்ப்பினை அளித்திருக்கின்றார்கள். எனவே இவர் குலபதி என்ற பட்டம் இவருக்கு மிகவும் பொருத்தமானது. அந்த குலபதிங்கிற பட்டம் இவருக்கு பெருமையை சேர்க்கிறதோ இல்லையோ, இவரால் அந்த பட்டத்துக்கே ஒரு பெருமை அப்படின்னு தான் நாம கொள்ள வேண்டும். அடுத்து பாலிடிக்ஸ். In politics, he has done so many things, and we are very, very proud. Has taken the name Thoothukudi up to Delhi. Whenever people talk about Thoothukudi, they remember so many freedom fighters, stalwarts, and our Kulapati's name is one among them. And he served as a president in District Congress Committee, and then president in Tamil Nadu Congress. He was a president for the district level, and later on he grew up in his status and he became the president of Tamil Nadu Congress. And then he was chosen twice as a member of Legislative Assembly from Srivaikundam constituency. And even in the both time, he got a thumping majority and he won in a glorious manner, as it is his custom. Even as an ordinary person, he used to help so many people. And should we ask whether he helped his legislative some constituent people? He helped them in many other ways, helped them in uplifting their economical quality, their educational level, everything. And he was a successful member in 2 tenures, that is for 10 years. Then he has been in so many work. He has been doing so many work. And he has been a president, he has been a director, he has been a vice president, and we can be going on giving a long list. But I will say a few among them. He was the president of Indian Chamber of Commerce. So can we feel that Puruladhara Medai, he is true to his title? Then he was the president of Tirunelveli District Cooperative Stores and Marketing Society Limited. Then Chidambaram Nagar Educational Society, he was the president of that. It was started and then he was the president. And he was the director of the Swadeshi Steamship Company Limited and also South India Bank Limited. So his economical affinity shows in every of his activity. Then as I said in the beginning itself, he was a linguist. His liking for another language, the third language. He was a vice president of Hindi Prachar Sabha, and he served for that Dakshin Bharat Society as long as he lived, and he rendered his service in all places. Then if we come to talk about the field of education, all of us know how much he has accomplished, but it's very nice to think, recall, revive, and relive those memorable memoirs. I'll say the Educational Society in the name of V.O. Chidambaram was founded, and he did all his work, what was all possible for him to improve it. and Vivo Chidambaram College was started, and he went through so many difficulties. People, those were among his surrounding, that is, those who were with him and those who were near him, he don't know how many of them helped and how many of them were against it. So many made fun of him. I read in articles. I have read in articles that so many made fun of his work in building this college. How is he going to finish this? It's a very mammoth work. And will it be possible for him? They made fun of him. But he never bothered about those words. Because if we listen to these types of criticism, we cannot accomplish what we dream. But he showed us the way that avoid even to listen to such destructive criticism. So he did not bother about that, and at last was successful in his work. Then he started VOC Teachers Training College, which is now called as VOC College of Education. He was very much interested to educate children, and then it's not enough to educate children alone, and there should be a line, never-ending line of people, of faculty members, those who will be ready to educate the next generations. And so he started this VOC Teachers Training College in order to help students to become teachers. And in that way, this college came into being, and now we have so many teachers who are able to complete their degree, and then they are going into the society to lead the future generation and make them a wonderful, fitting, suitable citizens of this country. Then it's not enough to teach men alone. Then if we teach only the boys, it will be only a lopsided development for the society. Of course, women too needed education. So he started this APC Mahalakshmi College for Women. But how far he has thought about educating children, even the children who come from villages. This college is enabling students from the nearby villages in and around Thoothukudi, and we are able to see even now so many first generation graduates getting their education in this college. And this college will be remembered with gratitude by all the families, those who send their children, those who have faith and they have hope in this college. And just because of these things, we should be thankful to our Kulapati. And his name was given to the matriculation school because starting a school that will fit into the changing panorama of the educational field, that was his dream. And though the matriculation school, APC Veerabahu Matriculation Higher Secondary School, started posthumously, that was his dream idea, and so fittingly named after him. That is also his dream only. So these we can, in a hand, we cannot elaborate. It will be going on. The list will be very great. But a few points from the list of his service to the education and to the people, those who are here and around Thoothukudi. And he not only helped in the educational field, he helped the whole town. The town was going on growing, the population was going on growing, so he felt the necessity of improving the outskirts of Thoothukudi. Thoothukudi, originally it was near the sea, and after the expansion of the population, it was going on building, increasing. We need houses for the people, isn't it? So he thought for the future, and so he started towns, Chidambaranagar and Lions Town. These two, they are the historic contribution to the public of Thoothukudi. Formation of 2 housing colonies. In 1944, it came into existence. Just imagine. And now we have grown even after that. So how far he has thought for the future. He did not think for the present for the present, his time alone. He thought for the future. That was the first outcome for the future is education. Next one is for the people to live comfortably. So this expansion of town is also considered as one of his wonderful historic contributions to this society. We remain thankful, aren't we? Then Sarvodaya. The Sarvodaya movement, he was a president for it. And if we think about this Sarvodaya movement, if we think a little back, how it was formed, it is awesome. And it was as he was a Gandhian, as Kulapati was a Gandhian, he followed Gandhi in so many footsteps, in his footsteps. And people, one among the people who influenced our Kulapati is Gandhiji. And the Sarvodaya movement was introduced by him. And this is one of Gandhiji's legacies, greatest legacies to Indians. How he got this idea? Shall we go travel in the historical path? He Indianized the idea of John Ruskin. John Ruskin has written a book, Unto the Last. He wanted the upliftment of the downtrodden people, and he has written that book. And Gandhiji was influenced by that book, and he started the Sarvodaya movement. And our Kulapati was influenced by Gandhian principle, and so he started. He appreciated it, and so he did all the things that he can do to improve this. And he was the president in this movement, and he was able to uplift the poor, downtrodden, and whatever he can do to help them. And next one, District Gramadan Development Trust. And this Bhudan movement, this also, if we go back, a little back in the historical path, we can see that it was started by, this Bhudan movement was initiated by Acharya Vinoba Bhave in 1951. It was a hand gift movement. That is, people, those who did not have any land or anything to work on, needed help. Vinoba Bhave realized this. And so what he did is, he went to the people, those who had much, he borrowed from them, not. He got the land as a gift from those rich people, and then he gave it to the downtrodden people. Not everything, everything not to a single person. It was distributed among the whole village, or people, those who were suffering because of unemployment. They did not have any land to do agriculture, like that. They were suffering. They did not have any employment. And so this land got as a gift from the rich people, were distributed among them, and they were monitored, and they were helped to do agriculture in that type of that land. And they flourished in that manner. So this was taken, and Jayaprakash Narayan, he added perfection to that, and he removed many social evils, and he named it as Gramadan Development Trust. And by introducing this to our area, our Kulapati improved many people. He helped many poor people. He found out many sponsors, even from foreign, and he got monetary benefits from those people, and channeled them, that monetary help to the poor, downtrodden people, even for the digging wells and so many other things. He did so many nice things for the downtrodden people. And his religious fervor, if I will cut a sorry figure if I don't talk about his religious fervor. He was very much immersed in the religious principles, because it was injected to him even in his youthful time itself. His parents injected that ideas, and he studied Tirumurai, Thevaram, Tiruvasagam, and so many other things. And I have heard people say about he used to sing nicely, and he was interested in the philosophy, Saiva Siddhantam, and he arranged for so many meetings in the Trinyana Sambandar Madalayam, that is in Melur. Even now we have it. There he arranged for so many meetings so that people can listen to the lectures about Saiva Siddhantam or Saivam. They were, people can be taught by listening to this lectures, isn't it? Not only there, even at his home, he arranged for so many meetings, it seems. Regarding this Saiva Siddhantam, people studied, were enabled to study about this, and they took care of so many temples. Even now, they have some, they take care of the so many festivals in very, very big temples like Tiruchendur Murugan Kovil, and even here, that is one Pillayar Kovil, Sarna Vinayakar in Mattakadai area. So many temples and their festivals were taken care by our Kulapati. And everything, every other happening was taken care by him, and he showed his religious fervor in these many ways. And he showed being active in politics did not affect being active in religious field. Being active in religious activities did not affect our social things, activities. So he had his work in every other field, and so only we call him versatile, and every other, whatever we can give an adjective, we are giving him. And I would like to say a few words before concluding that Samuel Johnson, all of us would have heard about Samuel Johnson. He would have changed his ideology, because even now we quote his words that politics is the last refuge of a scoundrel. He would have revised his idea and changed, because our Kulapati is a wonderful politician. If people like him are there, how can we call it as a last refuge for a scoundrel? We cannot call this as a last refuge, a wonderful place to change the whole nation. And one more thing I would like to read for you before concluding. Kalvi Thandaikku oru Kavitanjali. கலைமகளின் கவலையினை கேட்டிடுவீர் மாந்தர்களே. நிலைமாறும் மாந்தருக்கு கல்விக்கண் திறந்துவிடும் கலையதுதான் கைவருமா? அன்னையவள் வாடி நின்றாள். அன்னையவள் மனக்கவலை சடுதியிலே தீர்த்திடவே கலைமகட்குத் தலைமகனாய் வந்துதித்தார் குலபதியும். முத்துநகர் மாந்தர் குலம் கல்வியிலே செழித்திடவே மெத்தப்பல தொண்டுகளை நகரினிலே அவர் புரிந்தார். மாணவர்க்கு நலம் சேர்க்கும் முத்து போல் 3 பள்ளி, மகளிருக்கு கிட்டும்படி மேன்மை தரு கல்லூரி கல்வி, ஆடவர்க்கு அறிவுக்கண்ணை அழகாய்த் திறந்திடவே அருகினிலே அவர்கட்கும் ஓர் அறிவுக்கோவில், தொடர்ந்து வரும் தலைமுறைக்கு தக்க வழி காட்டிடவே தடையின்றி கல்விப்பணி தரணியிலே தழைத்திடவே படையெனவே ஆசிரியர் அணிவகுத்து வருவதற்கு திடமாக ஓர் ஆசிரிய பயிற்சி கல்லூரி. மீண்டும் வசிக்கிறேன். தொடர்ந்து வரும் தலைமுறைக்கு தக்க வழி காட்டிடவே தடையின்றி கல்விப்பணி தரணியிலே தழைத்திடவே படையெனவே ஆசிரியர் அணிவகுத்து தருவதற்கு திடமாக ஓர் ஆசிரிய பயிற்சி கல்லூரி. வகை வகையாய் கல்விச்சாலை, கலைமகளும் கவலை தீர்ந்தாள். தன் பணியை செய்திடவே தனக்கென ஓர் அற்புத வாரிசாக குலபதியும் இருந்ததனால் அன்னசத்திரம் அமைத்தலினும் ஆங்கோர் ஏழைக்கு அறிவுக்கண் திறக்கச் சொன்ன பாரதி என்றிருந்தால் இவர் தம் பணியை எவ்வாறு போற்றுவாரோ? நாடெங்கும் நிறைய நிற்கும் கல்விச்சாலை, கல்லூரிகள், அங்கே ஆசிரியர் நியமனமா, மாணவர்கள் சேர்க்கையா? தனித்தனியாய் பணம் அடிக்கிடவே ஆணையிட்டார் அனைவருமே. கண்ணெனப் போற்றும் கல்வி என்ன கடைச்சரக்கா? கேட்டிட்டார் குலபதியும். கண்ணெனப் போற்றும் கல்வி என்ன கடைச்சரக்கா? கேட்டிட்டார் குலபதியும். கல்வியினை ஒருபோதும் வியாபாரமாக்கா உயர்ந்த மனம் நல்லவர் நம் குலபதிக்கு. தம் வழித்தோன்றலுக்கும் சொல்லித்தந்தார் அக்குணத்தை. அம்மேன்மை மிகு தந்தையும் தான் நோற்ற நோன்பென்ன என விந்தை கொள்ள வைத்திட்டார் அவர் செல்வருமே. வாழ்க நம் குலபதியின் கல்வி தொண்டு, தழைக்க அவர்தம் பெருமை நலம். It's really a very great pleasure for me to be with you and think about our Kulapati. I am blessed to have you all listening to me for the past 30 to 40 minutes. I'm sorry for the distraction in between, but I hope all of us can wind up and take back golden memories of our memorable Kulapati. Thank you, organizers, for asking me to do this. Thank you once again.
Words to an ambitious person. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I request Mr. P. Priya, Assistant Professor of English, to give an epilogue.
Good afternoon, all. Am I audible?
Yes, Priya ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
It's my pleasure to give an epilogue. Beauty attracts the eye, but personality captures the heart. To this saying, our Kulapati, Sri APC Veerabahu, is one such personality who has captured the hearts of many and still living in the minds of many. Education is not a preparation for life. Education is life itself. To bring out the life of people, especially the socially and economically deprived sections, he took the weapon education because it was the one which could not be defeated or borrowed by others. For this, he founded the Temple of Learning, in which he offered quality education to millions of youth. Our Kulapati strongly insisted the watchword, the doctrine of non-commercialization of education, which is being strictly followed even today by his successors in this modern era. As said by our speakers, a Kulapati was a multifaceted personality in various fields such as education, political, business, public work, etc. He was a philanthropist in catering the needs of the youth, irrespective of caste, color, creed, and gender. There is a saying, true leaders don't create followers, they create more leaders. Yes, by his Temple of Learning, many leaders have been created who shine in various fields and also will shine in future. This all happened by the legends, mere self-confidence, aim and planning, as said by our resource person, Mrs. Madhimani. Thank you, ma'am, for your effective presentation. We are also really blessed to hear about Ayya. Let us take this opportunity to jointly pay homage to our great visionary, Kulapati Sri APC Veerabahu Ayya. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now there will be a video presentation which is prepared by Mr. Dakshinamurthy, PG Assistant Max, Bharatiyar Vidyalam, our model school, and he is also an alumni of our college. Now the video will be presented. Vinolia, ma'am. Vinolia, ma'am.
Answer, ma'am, just a second.
Okay, right, ma'am. Waiting.
படையெடு படையப்பா வெட்டி கொடி கட்டு மலைகளை முட்டும் வரை முட்டு லட்சியம் எட்டும் வரை எட்டு படையெடு படையப்பா கை தட்டும் மொழிபட்டு நீ விடும் நெற்றி துளிபட்டு பாறைகள் ரெட்டை பிளவுற்று உடைப்படும் படையப்பா கை தட்டும் மொழிபட்டு நீ விடும் நெற்றி துளிபட்டு பாறைகள் ரெட்டை பிளவுற்று உடைப்படும் படையப்பா வெட்டு கிளி அல்ல நீ ஒரு வெட்டு புலி என்று பகைவர் வெட்டி தலை கொண்டு நடையிடு படையப்பா வெட்டு கிளி அல்ல நீ ஒரு வெட்டும் புலி என்று பகைவரை வெட்டி தலை கொண்டு நடையிடு படையப்பா மிக்க துணி உண்டு இளைஞர்கள் பக்க துணை உண்டு உடங்கர பக்கட் படையுண்டு முடிவெடு படையப்பா வெற்றி கொடி கட்டு மலைகளை முட்டும் வரை முட்டு லட்சியம் எட்டும் வரை எட்டு படையெடு படையப்பா வாழ்க்கையில் ஆயிரம் தடை கல்லப்பா தடை கல்லும் உனக்கொரு படி கல்லப்பா வாழ்க்கையில் ஆயிரம் தடை கல்லப்பா தடை கல்லும் உனக்கொரு படி கல்லப்பா யாருக்கும் தீங்கன்றி வாழ்பவன் மனிதன் ஊருக்கே வாழ்ந்து உயர்ந்தவன் புனிதன் நேற்று வரைக்கும் மனிதனப்பா இன்று முதல் நீ புனிதனப்பா நேற்று வரைக்கும் மனிதனப்பா இன்று முதல் நீ புனிதனப்பா வெற்றி கொடி கட்டு மலைகளை முட்டும் வரை முட்டு லட்சியம் கட்டும் வரை எட்டு படையெடு படையப்பா வெற்றி கொடி கட்டு மலைகளை முட்டும் வரை முட்டு லட்சியம் எட்டும் வரை எட்டு படையெடு படையப்பா கை தட்டும் மொழிபட்டு நீ விடும் நெற்றி துளிபட்டு பாறைகள் எட்டை பிளவுற்று உடைபடும் படையப்பா வெற்றி கிளி அல்ல நீ ஒரு வெட்டும் புலி என்று பகைவரை வெட்டி தலை கொண்டு நடையிடு படையப்பா வெற்றி கிளி அல்ல நீ ஒரு வெட்டும் புலி என்று பகைவரை வெட்டி தலை கொண்டு நடையிடு படையப்பா மிக்க துணி உண்டு இளைஞர்கள் பக்க துணை உண்டு உடம்பர பக்கட் படையுண்டு முடிவெடு படையப்பா நேற்று வரைக்கும் மனிதனப்பா இன்று முதல் நீ புனிதனப்பா நேற்று வரைக்கும் மனிதனப்பா இன்று முதல் நீ புனிதனப்பா வெற்றி கொடி கட்டு மலைகளை முட்டும் வரை முட்டு லட்சியம் எட்டும்.
Thank you, Dakshinamurthy sir, for a fabulous presentation. Thank you so much, sir. It's time to say thank you. As I'm Hanufia here to propose the vote of thanks for this session. It's my time to be thankful to our founder. He is a person who made our life easier and better for everyone around him. His continual act of thoughtfulness and kindness brighten each day for everyone. What he did for us will glow in our memory, reviving pleasant feelings every time we think about him. Such a memory was shared by our resource person. I appreciate you, ma'am, and thank you so much, ma'am, for your words about our founder. I find a way to be thankful to our management for providing a life of rich fulfillment. I thank our principal who gave us opportunities to learn by permitting and supporting in all acts. I thank the efforts of the organizers for giving all a beautiful opportunity for building up our strength and character. Also values caring about such a legend, our founders. Thank you, organizer, for organizing a beautiful session. I thank the participants for sharing their precious time in this event to become blessings. I think all the participants who participated here also feel the blessing vibrant here. Thank you so much for everyone who are present here. Thank you. Thank you to everyone. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Anifia, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Principal sir is there.
Participants, the feedback link is in the chat. You can fill the feedback link. We need your feedback for this session. Thank you.
Rema ma'am, shall we call principal sir?
Our Anfia ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
separate attendance link is for our students.
Okay. All right. There will be two links. One is attendance for our students, BEd students, and other will be for your certificate. So please fill this and give your feedback. I request our students to fill both the forms. Thank you. Is there anything, ma'am?
Shall we take a snap with our RP, Prema ma'am?
Yes. Vinolia ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please turn on your video.
Okay.
Participants, those who are interested, turn on your video.
Am I visible?
Yeah, you're looking gorgeous,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Thank you, Madhi.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
We don't find
Thank you,
words in that mood. No.
Yes.
Every year we used to visit the
Nice
home.
presentation, ma'am. Thank you
Thank
so
you. Thank
much.
you. That was system fresh.
Thank you, many ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah,
Prema ma'am.
mood. Every year we used to visit the home and serve the food sponsored by our management. At this time we are remembering them too. The inmates of
Thank you, Mani
the
ma'am.
home.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, Chellama too. We are perplexed in the middle, no?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Participants in the feedback
Yes.
link is in the chat box. Please fill it up. Dear student teachers, fill up your attendance link also.
Even Emmet could fill, no, Prema ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Emmet won't find problem, I think.
Vinolia ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
can please send it. They are asking for.
They are asking for the link, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
How do you feel, Madhi ma'am? To
In the beginning itself, I told standing before so many teachers.
so many teachers. So that's a great teacher saying this.
Oh, whoever is present here is a teacher. I am so afraid.
Teacher to you.
Of course.
Then what about we people, the organizers? Think of us. Sir has come.
Principal,
madam.
sir.
Sir, thank you, sir.
The program is over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ஓகே மேடம் ஓகே நான் கொஞ்ச நேரம் அந்த கொஞ்சம் இடையில இந்த பிரசன்டேஷன் விசிபிளா இல்லைன்னு சொன்ன